The structure and functions of the nucleus. The largest organelle in a cell is the nucleus. It is the control center of the cell. If we compare the human body to the cell, the nucleus will be the brain. Just like the brain tells the different body parts what to do, the nucleus tells the different organelles present in the cell what to do and how to do it. Just like the cell, the nucleus is also surrounded by a nuclear membrane. This is a double membrane with pores called nuclear pores. These pores control what enters and exits the nucleus. The nuclear membrane separates the nucleus from the cytoplasm. The nucleus also has a ball-like structure called the nucleolus. The nucleus contains a fluid present inside it. This fluid is called nucleoplasm. The nucleoplasm also has thread-like structures called chromatin. These chromatin fibers condense before cell division to form rod-like structures called chromosomes. In human cells, there are 46 chromosomes. Chromosomes are composed of DNA. Each molecule of DNA carries several genes. Genes are the units of inheritance. They carry information about the characteristics that are passed from the parent cells to the cells of the offspring. This is known as genetic or hereditary information. Chromosomes are considered to be the genetic material of the cells. When you see a newborn baby, you can notice a few things about the baby's appearance that it has in common with its mother and a few others that are in common with its father. This is because the baby gets its genes from its parents. So, we learned about the nucleus present in the cell. These types of cells that have a nucleus present in them are called eukaryotic cell. Eu means true and karyon means nucleus. Animals, plants and fungi all have eukaryotic cells. That is, cells that have a well-defined nucleus with genetic material inside it. Organisms such as bacteria and blue-green algae are made up of cells that are much smaller than eukaryotic cells. These cells do not have a well-defined nucleus with a nuclear membrane. These cells have freely floating genetic material in the cytoplasm known as nucleoid. Their cells are known as prokaryotic cell. Pro means primitive or old and karyon means nucleus. Let us summarize. So, today we learned about the nucleus. It is the largest organelle and has different parts. The nuclear membrane, nuclear pores, nucleolus, nucleoplasm and chromatin. We also learned that cells with a well-defined nucleus are called eukaryotic cells. Organisms that have eukaryotic cells are called eukaryotes. Cells in which the genetic material floats in the cytoplasm are called prokaryotic cell. Organisms that have prokaryotic cells are called prokaryotes. Bye-bye. Happy learning!